beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a 7 days belly fat challenge. Now try this for 7 days and avoid taking soda, avoid taking bread, avoid taking too much of rice, avoid taking too much of carbohydrates, and let me know how this is going to be after 7 days. Now notwithstanding, you have to take it more than 7 days because you need a positive and a massive result. Okay, now let me walk you down into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and then let's go. We're going to be needing to use apple. Apple are extremely rich in important antioxidant, flavonoid and dietary fiber. Apple helps to reduce the risk of developing cancer, hypertension, diabetes and heart disease. This article provides a nutritional profile of the fruit and it's helpful in removing belly fat. Okay, the next ingredients we're going to be needing to use ginger. Now ginger contains generol, a substance which is powerful medicinal property. Ginger can treat many forms of nauseousness, especially morning sickness. Ginger may reduce muscle pain and soreness, and it's also a great remedy that helps to remove unwanted fat. The anti-inflammatory effect can help with flushing out toxins in the body. And then we're going to be making use of garlic. Garlic contains the active compound in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic can combat sickness including the common cold. Garlic improves cholesterol level, which may lower the risk of heart disease, and it also helps to remove belly fat, all unwanted stomach fat, and also general body fat. And then the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is high in acetic acid, which apple cider vinegar can kill many types of harmful bacteria, lower blood sugar level, and fight diabetes. It helps lose weight and reduces belly fat. It lowers cholesterol and improves heart health. Apple cider vinegar is great in flushing out toxins from the body, and it's going to be very useful in removing or getting rid of stubborn belly fat. So the first thing we're going to do is to cut the apple. And then we'll have to blend it, so we'll be cutting it in bits. So we're gonna go blend the apple, and I'm gonna be transferring everything into a bowl, adding a little bit of water, and there we go. So now we're blending it. Alright guys, so here is the juice, and we're just gonna be turning that into this bowl. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Now we're going to be putting in unfiltered apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon of that is perfect. Okay, do not put too much because the apple is not fermented, so we have to put in apple cider vinegar to make it really effective. Okay, so we're going to be opening up the garlic. So I'm gonna be preparing the ginger also. Okay, so we would have to be washing the garlic as well as the ginger. I'm going to be putting it in the blender. Well, we blended apple earlier with this, so I'm going to be putting in a little water and I will go blend it, and I'll be right back. So here's the blended garlic and ginger, and we're going to be turning that into this cup, and now you stir the whole ingredients all up. Okay, now if you're breastfeeding mom, you can actually take this is actually very good. It's going to be very healthy for the newborn baby, but if you're pregnant, you shouldn't take this because it's not going to be good for the internal baby. Okay, so for this, guys, you can take this once in a day, guys, and then you take it at most 5 times in a week. And all of your stomach, you're going to take this once in a day for 1 week, 5 times in a week. Yeah, okay. Now if you're breastfeeding mom, you can take this is actually very healthy, but if you're pregnant, you shouldn't take this. Okay, yeah, if you're pregnant, you're not even looking for flat tummy anyways. Okay, so this is actually going to help really well to remove all of those unwanted and stomach fat. Let me have a taste of it and tell you how it does taste. Okay, guys, so it does taste sweet. It tastes a little sweet, but it doesn't taste awful. Just half teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar is perfect for you every day. Okay, do this and take it for at most 1 month. Come back to tell me how it is, because I know it's going to be very healthy, very flush out all of those toxins in your body, and then remove all of the belly fat. Alright, guys, so that's it. That is just a very simple ingredient. I am sure you can actually get this ingredients like very simple. Okay, and it is actually very affordable. Okay, so do this and avoid some of those things that I earlier said at the beginning part of this video, and your belly fat is going to get reduced, your weight is going to you are going to get snatched. You know those figure 8, you are going to be achieving it. Okay, but of course you have to follow some of the rules in taking these things, and know that it is natural, so it does not just perform miracle, but it's remove your fat gradually, and before you know it, you are there. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys, and